Atlanta Foundation, along with Hyderabad Bicycling Club and various other organizations, is coming up with the Freedom Ride on 15th August, the Independence Day. For the last 4 years, Atlanta Foundation is organizing this ride, and it has grown from a level of just 250 participants to over 5,000 participants this year. In addition to the Freedom Ride, Atlanta Foundation also organizes Republic Ride every January 26th. And in this ride, this particular year Freedom Ride, the response is overwhelming. And for this year's Freedom Ride, the response is more than overwhelming. And the Hyderabad Bicycling Club is proud to be a partner in this event. Hyderabad Bicycling Club has 2,550 members, and the response is growing by the day. The membership is growing very fast. In fact, in the last 6 months, HBC's membership has more than doubled. And it is very gratifying to note that about 1/3 of our new members are females. We have taken up various initiatives to promote cycling aggressively across the Twin Cities. The most notable amongst these initiatives being our bike station, HPC bike station at Necklace Road opposite Sanjeevaya Park. At this bike station, we have positioned 150 bikes, and they are available for the general public. They can come, take a bike from us, and ride freely, happily on the exclusive cycling zone that we have created there on the Necklace Road. As you know, every morning between 5 to 7, Necklace Road is an exclusive cycling zone and no other vehicles are permitted on one side of the road. So without worrying about the traffic hassles, one can ride there. We are in the process of creating many more bike stations, and our second bike station will be coming up shortly on opposite IMAX Theatre. And the third bike station, which is the largest of all, will be coming up at High-Tech City Railway Station, and it is going to coincide with the exclusive bike tracks that are being created. About 25 kilometers of bike tracks are being created in the High-Tech City area. These bikes are available for anybody else, for the general public, and also for those who want to cycle for health and for physical fitness. Well, this is to promote cycling. It is to increase awareness, consciousness about cycling. So when you have an event like this in which 5,000 people participate, then that would increase the awareness, and people, once they participate, they realize how good it is, and they continue cycling. So I'm sure the Freedom Ride would help the cause of cycling in a big way.